So I made the sign, it says the Mountain House, and we glued it up there because there's no way we're going to be able to drill, even with a metal drill, through this I-beam. So we glued it and tried to attach it by squeezing it together with these clamps. There's another piece of wood there on that side, just to squeeze it tight. Well, it's tight on the bottom, so there's about an 1/8 inch gap on the top, which Virginia is sealing with silicone clear caulk. It doesn't have to be clear, it has to be expandable though, so that's what she is sealing it with now. And then we'll just wait for it to dry, take the clamps down, and it'll be golden. So it says the Mountain House. Now she's just adding in areas and smoothing it in with her finger to make sure it's filling that little gap. About an 1/8 inch gap, I'd say, wouldn't you?
It's like, yeah, in some areas it's a 1/4 inch, it's bigger. Like right here.
Well, I guess we could have put more clamps like that up across here, but we didn't.
Can you hold that?
But it didn't fall in the car. Feel like it's holding up? Tug on it a little once you get up there, see?